I want to share something I came across recently in a very simple and honest way. I watched a video explaining a basic gelatin-based routine that many women were quietly adding to their day. What caught my attention was how naturally it could fit into a daily schedule. That call, the gelatin trick. I decided to try it out of curiosity, without expecting anything specific. Over time, what I noticed was how comfortable it felt to keep the habit going. My mornings felt more organized. My routine felt lighter. There's a small detail in the preparation that many people overlook. And when that happens, the routine just doesn't feel the same, which explains why some versions online lead to confusion. That's why I still follow the explanation I originally saw. It focuses on simplicity, timing, and consistency, not extremes. This clear breakdown is what most people mean when they refer to the gelatin trick recipe, a straightforward way to prepare it that actually fits into real life. There's no restriction involved and no pressure to change everything at once. It's simply a small daily habit that blends into everyday life. The link below leads to the same video I watched, where everything is explained step by step. If you're curious, it's worth watching while it's still available.